Welcome to BetOnMarkets.co.uk, the world's leading fixed odds financial trading website. The multi-award-winning BetOnMarkets.co.uk has been in continuous operation since 2000 and has handled over 10 million transactions. Allow me to take a few seconds to show you the website, its trades, and how people trade them. This is the homepage of BetOnMarkets.co.uk. It's very simple. On the left, we have all the trades, and on the right, we have the account opening button. It only takes seconds to open an account, so you can be placing that trade idea of yours before you know it. At the top, we have all the important tools, like the login button, the cashier, and the charts. All you need to make an informed decision and to manage your BetOnMarkets.co.uk account. And now let's move on to the trades. We have our new flash trade, up or down, for a 100% return from 2 to 15 minutes. Best of all, there's no spread on these little guys, so you have basically the fairest trade that I've ever seen offered anywhere in the world. You only have to be right by 1 point. Now the trick with these guys, or at least how the smart traders play them, is to go for the longest time period possible. Then there's less chance that the trade will finish up exactly where it started, hence not a winning trade. Since the production of this video, the company has only broken even on these trades. So if you have a quick edge on the market, this is the place for quick results. Moving along to our intraday double up or down, you're predicting a rise or fall in any multiple of a 10-minute or hourly period throughout the trading day. Since BetOnMarkets started back in 2000, our Eastern European country clients have always loved and had success with these trades. How? They run reams of data through the computers to find rising or falling patterns that fit a certain time period during the day. Then they trade these patterns. Remember, with BetOnMarkets, you don't need 100-point moves to make a good profit. You only have to be right by 1 point to win the full value of your trade. 2 more daily trades here. The Super Double, where you predict the upwards or downwards movement of a market between 2 times of the day. And the Double Up or Down. You predict the movement of the market up or down from the time you place the trade to the close of the day. Next, we get into the longer-term trades. The Bull, Bear, and the Expiry Range and Expiry Miss trade. With the Bull, Bear, you are predicting that the market of your choice will be above or below your predicted level at the end of a time period, from 5 days to 6 months. With the Expiry Range, you're predicting where the market will finish between 2 barriers, and with the Expiry Miss, exactly the opposite. All these trades are great for technical analysts who come up with potential levels for market prices in the future. With BetOnMarkets.co.uk, you can key these figures specifically into your trades. Can you see the potential with these trades? The potential for large gains, the potential for hedging against sudden market movements up or down, the potential to protect your share portfolio against a crash. Moving along, we have the one touch, the no touch, the barrier range, the up or down trade. It's very important to remember with BetOnMarkets.co.uk that you can specify the returns you desire. For instance, you may only go for high probability, low return trades, or you can go for low probability, high return trades, or anything in between. It's up to you and the trading style you develop. A lot of our traders use these trades to go for low returns of around 10 to 20% of stake within a 5 to 10 day range. The one-touch trade. If the market hits the level you specify in the time period, you win the trade. The more distant the level you pick, the higher the percentage return. The no-touch is the exact opposite. The barrier range trade. For boring markets that are range-bound, you input 2 levels and predict that the market will not touch them for the life of the trade. The closer the barriers are to the real price, the larger the return. The further away, the smaller the return. The up or down trade. My favorite, commonly called a straddle, it's a pure volatility play. Use it when the markets are reacting wildly, clocking up large point moves in either direction. You input a high and low barrier, and if the market touches just one of the barriers, you win. You're basically trading that the market will move wildly, but you don't know which way. Smart traders use it before important economic announcements, or if a certain market-moving event looks likely to happen. For example, the outbreak of a war or a weather event like a hurricane. That wraps it up. I'd like to thank you for listening, and I hope you can see that betonmarkets.co.uk pretty well covers any trading scenario that's likely to happen. And I hope you enjoy competing against the world's major financial markets through us. Always remember that fixed odds financial trading can generate losses as well as gains. Please trade responsibly.